Front pay.
Front pay refers to compensatory damages paid to a petitioner to make good for the earnings lost because of wrongful termination or discrimination. Its purpose is to financially restore the petitioner as much as possible for the wages lost due to the employer's unlawful action. A front pay amount is usually calculated based on the pay rate applicable before the events that led to termination. There are other factors also which have been found relevant. These include age, life expectancy, length of service, employee status, the likelihood of continued employment without discrimination, and time to secure a comparable job elsewhere.